AI is replacing millions of jobs, but not these. Today, we're counting down 10 high-paying careers AI can't replace. Yet, and trust me, number 10 will shock you. These roles demand skills, instincts, and human qualities that machines still can't match. And if you're in one of them, you might just be future-proof for now. Let's start with number 1. Number 1. Surgeons. AI can assist in surgery, but the precision, adaptability, and split-second judgment of a human surgeon, especially in unpredictable situations, is still unmatched. Top surgeons can earn well into the six figures, and their expertise is irreplaceable. Number 2. Psychiatrists and therapists. AI can analyze speech patterns and suggest treatments, but true empathy, trust-building, and reading subtle human emotions remain human strengths. Patients need connection, not just data. Number 3. Senior corporate strategists. AI can crunch numbers, but setting vision, navigating politics, and making bold, high-risk calls still require human leadership. These roles often come with massive salaries and bonuses. Number 4. Skilled trades specialists. Master electricians, plumbers, and high-end carpenters work in unpredictable environments with unique challenges. AI-driven robots aren't ready for that level of adaptability, and the pay for top specialists can be huge. Number 5. Creative directors. AI can generate ideas, but deciding what resonates emotionally with a human audience is still a human art. Brand vision, storytelling, and cultural nuance. Keep these roles safe for now. Before we get to number 6, I want to hear from you. Which career do you think will be the last to fall to AI? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of the AI curve, hit subscribe right now. This is AI and Future Tech by NENC. New videos every Tuesday and Friday. Number 6. Scientific researchers. AI can process data, but designing experiments, forming hypotheses, and interpreting unexpected results still need human insight. Breakthroughs often come from intuition, something AI doesn't have. Number 7. High-end chefs. AI can follow recipes, but creating dishes that surprise, delight, and connect with culture is a human craft. Top chefs can earn huge salaries, plus brand deals and media appearances. Number 8. Negotiators and diplomats. AI can model scenarios, but reading the room, sensing hidden motives, and building trust across cultures is still human territory. These skills can literally change the course of history. Number 9. Elite athletes. AI can train athletes, but it can't be them. The physical performance, charisma, and human drama of sports are irreplaceable. Top athletes earn millions, and AI isn't taking their place anytime soon. Number 10. Crisis managers. When disaster strikes, from corporate scandals to natural catastrophes, AI can suggest responses, but only humans can navigate the chaos, emotions, and politics in real time. The stakes are massive, and so is the pay. So, what's the takeaway? AI is powerful, but it's not unstoppable. If you're in a career that demands empathy, creativity, adaptability, or physical presence, you're in a safer zone, for now. But the key word is yet, because AI is evolving fast. The smartest move: keep learning, keep adapting, and stay ahead of the curve. If you want more insights into the future of work and technology, make sure you're subscribed, because here at AI and Future Tech by NENC, we're diving deep into the future every Tuesday and Friday. See you in the next one.